Welcome in, welcome back, guys. Today we're doing a sloppy Joe, but we're doing one that's going to have a little bit of an Asian influence on it. So we got oyster sauce, we got hoisin sauce, we got light soy sauce, we got honey, we got smoked paprika, we got a little bit of cayenne pepper, we got ginger, we got onion, we got green onions, and we got our ground beef. So once I get this all chopped up and ready to go, I'll be right back. Alright guys, real quick, we're just gonna hit these buns with some mayo so we can toast them so it can hold up to the sloppy Joe. And just wanted to show you that real quick. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so our buns are done, and now we're just gonna get started on our ground beef. And this is 1.5 pounds of ground beef, 80/20, and it's just going in the pan. I'm not putting any oil. Got a little bit of oil left over from the mayonnaise. We're going with that. And guys, at this point, I'm gonna hit it with some smoked paprika, about 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, just to give us a little bit of a smoky flavor. And this is when we're gonna hit it with a little bit of cayenne pepper. Now you put as much as you want. I'm gonna put about 1 teaspoon or so, just so we have a little kick. And we're gonna go ahead and get this all mixed in. Alright guys, it's been about a minute or so, and at this point right here, we're still slightly pink and we still got oil in the pan. And I'm going with our onions. We want to get these started cooking too. And then also in with our ginger. Now I did about half a thumb of ginger. Now I'm not going to put it all. I'll put about that much for now. And we're going to get this all incorporated. Now we don't want to cook this till it's dry, but we want to wait till these onions are translucent and the meat is no longer red. And then at that point, we're going to go ahead and put our wet ingredients in. Now this oil that's coming out of the meat, I'm going to leave it in there. I'm not going to drain it off. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to let it kind of burn away. So we're just going to leave it here for a few minutes. And once we get there, I'll bring you guys back in like a minute or two. Alright guys, our oil is really starting to kind of go away now. I'm going to go in with a little bit more paprika. Smoked paprika. So I'm going to say that's a total of about 2 teaspoons. Alright guys, so now we're going to go with our wet ingredients. We got hoisin sauce. We're going to do 3 tablespoons. No, I'm going to do 4 tablespoons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we got our oyster sauce, and I'm going to do 6 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Come on. It's like ketchup. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a little bit extra. And then we're going to go in with some soy sauce. My wife says I say that wrong. I'm using light soy sauce. We're going to give this a quick mix. Guys, our pan is up on high. Now at this point, I'm going to give this a quick taste, see where we're at. Guys, it's good, but it doesn't really taste like a sloppy Joe because you're more used to the tomato flavor. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of Minsco in here with some stewed tomatoes. Give them a crush. Oh, lost one. And a little bit of the juice. About half a can. And that's what cooking is all about, right? You taste as you go and you make the recipe yours. Right? For you and your family. So I'm not gonna go in with much. Let me just say about a tablespoon of honey. Why measure it out when it's just gonna get all over the place? All right, we're gonna let this all come together and then let this come together for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're gonna plate this up. We'll be back. All right, guys, time to plate this up. Now, should we go with cheese or without cheese? I'm gonna make this first one here without cheese. All right. Put down with some green onions for a little texture. You know what? How about a little cheese? Not too much. Just a little. And then on the side here, go down with some corn chips. Guys, I think that's perfect, right? A little more cheese. That's it. Let me give you guys a flyover. There's our sloppy Joe. An Asian-inspired sloppy Joe. It's more of an adult sloppy Joe. Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.